Yeah, this is chapter 5. We skipped 3 and 4. Chapter 3 is systems of equations, which is when you have more than one equation. And supposedly you've already learned and mastered that in Algebra 1. And chapter 4 is matrices. And matrices is not in the SOLs anymore, so they dropped that out. So a quadratic function is a function that has the highest power term is squared. Okay? The word quadratic means squared, right? Just not in English. To us, it's a kind of a function. In Italy, it's quadrato means squared, right? So a quadratic function can have 3 terms, right? It could have a squared term. It could have a term where x is raised only to the first power, and it could have a constant, right? The a, meaning the coefficient of the x term, cannot equal 0, because if it equals 0, Bernard, lift up your head, right? If I have to do that again, you're getting his attention. If the a is 0, what kind of function do you have? It's linear, right? Because then it's like mx plus b, right? There's no squared term. So when we're talking about quadratic, the thing that makes it quadratic is this term. So certainly the a can't be 0. Okay, and you in the book here, some of these are just details in our book, but they're not wrong. You call this the quadratic term because it's the squared term. This is the linear term because it is x to the first. This is a constant term because it's just a constant.